Hey guys, my name is Sam, aka Mr. Two Pairs Minimum, and today we're going to take a look at the 550 by New Balance. These released on the 10th of December 2020 here in the UK for the retail price of £110. Quick disclaimer, this pair is 100% authentic from newbalance.co.uk, and I want to make a quick shout out to my guy Ediz for sending me the link when these released. They quickly sold out, so Ediz, if you're watching this, I appreciate you. It comes with your classic dark grey NB branded box. The style code is BB550SN1. Inside the box comes the shoes with white wrapping paper. No accessories comes with this pair. An extra set of royal blue laces would have been nice, but we're not here for the box, so let's get right into the shoes. New York menswear boutique A Million D'Or helped New Balance reintroduce an old basketball sneaker back in October 2020, since its first release in 1989. The ALD 550s came in 4 colorways: green, navy, red, and grey, with a large apparel collection also. This general release version keeps its predominantly white colorway with a mix of smooth and perforated leather. Pops of blue branding can be seen on the tongue, side panels and heel, with more royal hits at the collar, sock liner and outsole. To maintain its vintage aesthetic, it features a more light cream or off-white midsole and outsole. I like its overall chunky retro design. Material-wise, these are your standard synthetic leather. They definitely downgraded the leather quality compared to the stuffed buttery A Million D'Or collab. Size-wise, I will stay true to size or go down half a size, as these run a little bit long, but they are standard width. In this video I'm wearing a US 11, but I'm using a US 11.5 in New Balance. So these are fairly comfortable, especially with the ultra light insoles, even though this is a more flat retro basketball shoe. So these are 2 pairs minimum. I'll have to give these a 0 pairs minimum because I didn't personally pick these up. They are a nice pair. I did enjoy reviewing them. I wanted to see how they looked in hand and also share my thoughts. So here are my thoughts, now it's time for yours. Did you manage to pick these up? Did you miss out? Or did you pass? Let me know why in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment balance to show me you watched this video to the end. Please like, subscribe and drop me a comment if you like this content. Follow me on my social media links. Apart from that, have a good day.